Hello, we are from Teammate and here is the demo of our Semantic web application. In the days of globalization, people need to relocate frequently in search of better opportunities, but it is a tedious task to compare the places based on different criteria at one time. Our web application ReLoc8 enables the user to find the most suitable states in United States where he can relocate. This application requires the user to fill up basic information form and set up priorities based on which the top 3 state names are retrieved. Let us start with the walkthrough of the code structure. It is a Java web application project created in Eclipse, where the source code files are under the source folder and web pages are under the webinf folder. The first Java source code file is input class file. This is a POJO file which creates a Java object of the information entered by the user. The second is input form servlet. This is a servlet through which the information entered by the user is retrieved and processed. The third is output education file. This is a Java object file which takes education information into consideration. The fourth is the output form servlet. This is the main processing file where the business logic resides. The fifth one is the output state class. It creates a Java object for the information stored in our file. Under the webinf folder, there are two Java server pages. The first is entry.jsp, which is the home page of web application, and the second is the output.jsp, where the results is displayed. Under the lib folder are the jar files necessary for the project. Let us start with the demo of our application. This is the home page of the ReLoc8 web application. It consists of two parts. The first is the basic user information form and the second part is where the user can set up the priorities. Let us start filling up the form. Let us enter the name, the age. Let us select education level. Here we have predefined education level. The user needs to select the highest qualification. Let us select as bachelor's. Then the user needs to give information about the job sector. There are 15 of them. We have tried to cover every major sector. Let us select computer and educational. Now let's select gender. All the information is needed for application to provide correct output. As I said earlier, the second section of the form is where the user needs to set up priorities. Let us select job as the first priority, followed by health and weather. Now let's click on ReLoc8. We can now see that the first state suggested is California. We had entered job domain as computer and mathematical and had given top priority to job. As California is the hub of software companies, it is given as the first suggestion, followed by New Jersey and Connecticut. The application also provides the user with the income information for his educational level based on gender, race and age. If the user wants additional information, he can click on Additional Info button where the comparative evaluation of the state is done. Let's click on that. As we can see, there are different factors mentioned and their corresponding values in 3 states. For example, job amount, health index, average temperature. Now let us set up different priorities and see the results. Let us keep weather as the first priority, followed by education and cost of living. Let us click on ReLoc8. As we can see, Arizona is obtained as the top state suggestion. As we all know, Arizona is known for its weather and the cost of living is also not very high compared to other states. This concludes the demo of our Teammate Semantic web application. Thank you.